So these are the ingredients that you're going to need for this Mexican quinoa dish. Okay, so you're going to need a little bit of olive oil. You're going to need some peppers and onions. I actually just bought this because I thought it was kind of neat how it was already cut up and stuff, but you guys can use fresh ones if you want. You're going to need some chicken or whatever kind of meat that you want. I cooked this last night in the crock pot. This is just chicken breast. You can use ground beef, turkey, you can use whatever meat you want. Maybe even shrimp or something, I don't know, whatever you want. Chicken broth, the white quinoa, corn, black olives, and black beans. Oh yeah, and I forgot. I almost forgot. You need some queso. Almost forgot about that. So my pot is heating up, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the olive oil to it. Bear with me, guys. You know, I don't have a tripod, so just bear with me. Okay, that looks like a generous amount. Okay, so I'm going to add my peppers. So I'm gonna let this kind of get all warmed up and kind of cooked up a little bit, and then we're gonna add the rice or the quinoa. All right, so now I'm going to add the rice. Oh, a little FYI on the rice. The reason why it looks like this is because on the bag and on the instructions, in the instructions on the bag, it says that you have to rinse off your quinoa because I guess it has like some kind of film or something on it, and it will make it bitter. So that's what this reason why this is like that, because I have rinsed it off. So I'm gonna pour this in here. All right, guys. So you can kind of hear it sizzling. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. Well, all of the ingredients. So I have my corn. Put that in there. My black beans. And I forgot to tell you guys about this, but you guys do need tomatoes. You don't have to put them in there. It's really optional, but I will put them in here. All right, and this, sorry, a little ghetto, but this is 2 cups of chicken broth. Alrighty, so I'm gonna stir this all up. Oh, and I forgot, I gotta add the chicken. Hold up, let me add my chicken. Okay, so once I got all the chicken in here, I probably use about 2 cups of chicken. Then you want to put it on about medium to high heat till it comes to a boil like it's doing right now. And then you're going to put the top on there and then let it simmer for 15 minutes. So let it come to a boil. I'm gonna put the top on. Let it come to a nice little boil. It's kind of boiling up a little bit, but I want a little bit more of a boil. Perfect. This is what I want. This kind of boil. All right. So now I'm gonna turn it down to a 2. It smells good up in here. And I'm gonna let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back. Hey guys, I am back. And it has been 15 minutes on the dot. I tried the quinoa. As you can kind of see, it's kind of puffed up. And it is soft. So I'm assuming that means it's done. And it has great flavor. So what I'm going to do is turn it off. And I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. Now you can add all the seasoning in here before. Sometimes I always check because sometimes a lot of the flavors in here I might not even need anything. But you're supposed to add it in before. I always add mine last. You don't have to do it like me. So I just add a little pepper, and then I'm gonna add a little seasoned salt. Alright. And then I'm gonna add my olives. My black olives. Again, this is optional. Oh shit. And I'm gonna add my cheese. Now you can add as much cheese as you want. If you're cheese lovers, add it in. If you're not, just add a little bit. I'm just adding 2 handfuls. Well, not, yeah. Alright. Let it sit on here, let the cheese melt. Take it off. So I got it in my little bowl. Now, I am going to put some sour cream and some avocado on this later, but I want to try it without the sour cream and the avocado. So I'm going to get some of this little Quinoa. I'm going to get some cheese. Ooh, that's enough. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to try it. Even Bruno's like, God damn, that shit smell good, mama. Ooh, that. Ooh. Mmm. Woo. That's good. Mm-hmm. That's really good. That's really good. Oh my god, I can't believe the quinoa doesn't even really taste like nothing, but it's actually pretty good. Now I'm gonna add my sour cream, my avocado, and I'm gonna eat this to be my dinner. I don't know the macros on it. I didn't do a macro. This wasn't a macro dish. This is just trying to try something new, and since I never had quinoa before, I wanted to try it, and I thought this would be kind of perfect. But anyway, I'm gonna put the link where I got this recipe from. I think her name is called Domestic Greek. I'm gonna put it in the description. And she had other what do you call it, dishes on there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her down on there. I'm gonna finish eating this so you guys can copy the way I did it, or you guys can do it the way that she does it. However, either way is fine. But it's actually pretty damn good, and I'm not even bullshitting. It's actually really good. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching my little cooking video. It really was short and simple. I didn't want nothing to be too long. But anyway guys, I'm gonna eat this and take a shower and go to bed. But I thank you guys for supporting me, watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Alright, bye guys. Say bye, Fat Daddy. No, Fat Daddy, you're not gonna get none. You're not gonna get none. It's not for the dogs. It's for humans. I'll give you a little chicken. Bye guys.